Okay, so as you see, we're moving forward with the other section of the building, and obviously it's very important for you to separate the sections within between so that they don't mix up. So the clothes should be separately, okay? Because this is the bathroom, this is the kitchen, this is the glass, so they should not mix together. All right. So then, for the kitchen, I use mainly sieve and Viacal. So, and a multi-surface cleaner, which is a green bottle. Let's see where I have it. Yeah. So this we'll use for the kitchen, which is like killing the germs. We'll use the sieve, and we'll use a little bit of bleach at the end. All right. And the green cloth, which is associated with nature and food. Okay. That's the cloth. So all these three are the side, and then what I do, I have a separate pot, not the same one that I use for the toilet, separate one, which is dedicated for the kitchen, and separate sponge. Okay, so we just put water, a little bit of bleach for the sponge. Okay, I mean, you use a different kind of bleach, but I'm using this right now. It's the same ingredient, it doesn't matter. Now, we remove all the stuff away. Okay. I'll just do this corner as an example. Okay. Okay, so we remove everything away, yes? Now, first layer, we just get rid of all the dirt, like crumbs and stuff like that. So I will just get rid of the crumbs so that I can work on a clean surface, yes? So we get rid of the crumbs. Okay. Crumbs and whatever is like leftover from the food and stuff. Now, sieve is the best part to get rid, like we brush it around, because this is the best way to get rid of like stains and stuff like that. And if it's like stains from coffee or tea or like curry or things like that, we use a little bit of bleach because it bleaches out, yeah? So with this, we just do all the surface, okay? In movements like that, circle movements. Okay. Okay. For the sink, we use Viacal. For the sink, we use a little bit of Viacal just to get rid of the flame scale. We leave it to soak in, and then rub it a little bit around it so that it soaks in and kind of get rid of all the impurities and the lime scale. Make sure you rub a little bit this nose here. Right. So we're working on the top surface right now, and then I will go to show you how to do the sink. But now we're just getting rid of the dirt. Okay. All right. If we see any stains, like here, for example, we rub it in. Okay. Here. Okay. Now, green only for the food. That's the kitchen cloth. Okay. All right. And now we're trying to remove the cream and the leftover of the impurities. It's the same like mopping. When we do mopping, we just do it in only one direction so that we take over all the impurities and the soap. When it's too soapy, you just rinse it. Okay. Right. I'll do a little bit with the sponge here because it has some dirt with this side, so it's like rubbing it in a little bit. Same here. All right, and now I can get rid of all the dirt and the soap. Okay, and get in. All right, it's already looking better. Okay, so last one. Okay. Sometimes, if you're in the mood, you can go with a dry one on the top, but in the kitchen is not necessary because it's like quite warm and stuff, and it's always used. Okay. For the cabinets, we have a different color cloth. So for the cabinets, we'll use the brown one. I don't have it here, but in general lines, it's different. Now, come to the sink. I'll show you the sink. So with the sink, we get rid of all the food remains. Put it in the right. Let me just get rid of all the food remains and stuff. Okay. All right. So we collect all the food remains. Throw it in the bin. We throw it in the bin. Okay, the right bin. And here we use a little bit of bleach and a little bit of sieve. Okay, because bleach is cleaning very well the. Okay, and sieve will clean whatever dirt it has. Okay, so with the sponge, we just rub it in everywhere to make sure all the oils and the food, we get rid of all the impurities and the food stains. Sometimes the sink is very stained because of the tea or coffee, curry, whatever people use to cook. I normally turn this around. So make sure you do this side. Okay. Make sure you do this side so it gets rid of all the dirt. I turn this around because it's easier to maintain it. Okay. So, and now I'm rinsing it. If this side is upside down, the water go better downstairs, like down the drain. Okay. And now I use again the cloth just to make sure is all done. Okay. So we have like a brand new effect. And we put okay. So we just check what's like left, like okay. And that's it. That's the sink. And then we put back everything we need to put, all the appliances and stuff, and that's it. Voila. Next step is cleaning the cabinets. So the cabinets, we clean it with a different cloth and a little bit of sieve and just water. Okay, voila.